This is the elevator at the Rick Thomas parking garage at the University of Tampa in Tampa, Florida. Before we give it a ride, take a look at this. It looks like Otis has been doing some work on it. But also, I originally filmed this back in 2021 and it was a Series 1, but now it got modded. So, not sure if this mod just happened because of that or this is just normal work, but either way, it's been modded. We are at 5. You can see there's the rest of the garage goes up a little bit higher. I believe there's 8 parking floors and something else on top of that, not sure what. So we're gonna go back to 1. Here's your inspection certificate, which is out of date actually. It says August 2025 is when it expired. Let's go for one more ride. And let's end the video back down at 1. It's probably the original lantern. £2,500 capacity. There it goes. And that'll be it.